channel. Redbox Entertainment today continues with its winning streak that it began with yesterday, even though the stock has lost some of the gains that it had today. Redbox Entertainment is up 4% and trading at $5.78 with just about 30 minutes to the closing bell. Yesterday, Redbox Entertainment closed at $5.55. It opened today at $5.95 before dropping now to $5.77 with just about 30 minutes to the closing bell. In the course of trading today, the stock went as high as $6.52. The 52-week range for Redbox Entertainment is from $1.61 all the way up to $27.22. Today's volume, 32 million shares have exchanged hands compared to an average volume of 22 million. The market capitalization of Redbox Entertainment is now at $263.7 million US. So yesterday, Redbox Entertainment stock appreciated by a lot. Literally, it doubled yesterday by any metric before calming down just before the closing bell yesterday, but that was an impressive gain. And then today we still have some remnants of that gain yesterday, because today the stock went as high as $6.52 before dropping now to $5.80. There is word on the street that there is a short squeeze that might go on with Redbox Entertainment, and of course there's still that acquisition deal from Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment. So those two items seem to be what is actually what are the catalysts that are causing the big moves with Redbox Entertainment stock. So will this continue tomorrow? Very difficult to tell, but Redbox, each time it runs up like this, it ends up dropping down, and then some people are left holding the bag. You can see the same thing occurred around June 30th when the stock went from about $6.48 and ran up to about $8.06. And let's see if we can go back to 6 months. You guys can see how it has occurred a few times. In April, on April 28th, it went from $3.53, and then by May 2nd it was at $8.53. And equally the same thing happened around June 1st when the stock ran up, and by June 13th it was at $15, up from $5.61. So there is no telling where this stock is going to be in a few days time, in a few weeks time. But those who invested about last Friday, they made out handsomely if they cashed out yesterday. So I just wanted to point that out. And today was not a good day on Wall Street. The S&P 500 is down 1.24%. The Dow 30 is down 0.77%. Nasdaq is down 1.98%, and the Russell 2000 is down 0.73%. I will jump off here so you guys can do your due diligence and put in your final trades for the day, as we have barely 33 minutes to the closing bell. If you haven't done so, please consider subscribing to the channel so we can keep growing, and that way bring you more interesting content. Bye for now, and I will catch you guys on the next video.